If you also think learning too many skill at the same time will make you valuable, so you are just wasting your time. This is what law 23 of the 48 laws of power book teaches us. Hi, my name is Mohit Sambaria. I welcome you on my YouTube channel Mohit Experience. In this video, I am explaining 23 law of the 48 laws of power book that teaches us why we should only focus on one thing. So make sure you subscribe this channel, hit the bell icon button and watch this video till the end, because this is what I will keep doing until unless I explain every law of this book in my videos. And if you want to get free PDF of this book, just let me know in the comment section. So the 23 law of the 48 laws of power book, that is concentrate your forces. This law says that when you divide your attention in too many directions, you get tired and confused. But when you focus only on one thing, you get results. Because most people think that if we learn 10 things together, so we can master everything. But that's not true. If you learn 10 things together, you will end up learning anything. Because power grows where focus goes. So if you think you can learn 10 things together, you will end up learning anything. Let me make you understand with an example. Let's say there are two person. First person is learning lots of skill at the same time, but second person is learning just one skill. After 1 year, first person knows lots of things, but there is nothing where he is good at. But second person, he is good at only one thing, and that's what he is perfect at. What do you think? Who would be more valuable? The person who is good at one thing. This is what this law says. When you separate your attention in too many directions, you become weak everywhere. But when you focus on one thing, you become powerful. This is what this law says. So this was a simple explanation of the 23 law of the 48 laws of power book. And if you want to know more about this book by watching English video, so make sure you subscribe this channel. And if you want to get free PDF of this book, so follow me on my Instagram and send me your DM. I will see you in the next video.